As Christian women, I think it's safe to say, unless you're a robot, you've probably experienced some form of spiritual disconnection. It could be because life got busy, and the more responsibilities you had, it meant the less time you had for God. Or maybe you experienced disappointment that you were unable to reconcile with God. Whatever it was or is, I pray that the Holy Spirit helps to lead you back home. As your connection to God strengthens, pay close attention to these 4 shifts. What you know and believe to be true changes as you are now able to hear and receive from God. What you experience changes because your encounters with God are more intimate and different. Your actions change as you begin to prioritize and co-create with God. Your identity is transformed as you begin to see yourself as God sees you. Remember the parable of the prodigal son in Luke chapter 15, and just know that God is always ready for you to draw closer to Him. This has been another episode of 1 Minute on Purpose.